everybody, it's Chris again. And we just got past that tax filing deadline. And as a Gen X or Gen Y business owner, we know tax planning can be overwhelming. Today, I'm going to share 5 key tax planning tips that can help you save money and stay compliant with the current tax law. First, let's talk about retirement savings plan. As a business owner, you can set up and take advantage of plans like a 401k, simple IRA, or even the defined benefit program. Think of that as a pension. All of these can help you reduce your taxable income and save for retirement. A 401k is a retirement savings plan that allows you to contribute up to $22,500 per year in income, even more if you're over 50, and the money grows tax deferred until you withdraw it. If you add a profit sharing component, you may be able to save up to $66,000 a year in 2023. Now, with a simple IRA, you can contribute up to $15,500 per year in pre-tax income, $19,000 if you're over 50. Both traditional and Roth options are available here, and contributions to traditional plans are tax deductible. By contributing to a retirement savings plan, you can lower your taxable income and save for the future. Now let's talk about business expenses, because as a business owner, you can deduct expenses that are related to your business, such as office supplies, equipment, travel expenses. It's important to keep very careful records, though, with these for all of your expenses to ensure that you can claim them as deductions, because these deductions over time can add up to help lower your tax bill. For example, if you're a solopreneur who works from home, you may be able to deduct a portion of your home office expenses, such as rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and even internet costs. Just don't be overly aggressive, as nobody wants to deal with an angry IRS. Now, let's talk about tax credits, because tax credits are a dollar for dollar reduction in your tax bill, and they can be a great way to save money. As a small business owner, you may be eligible for several of these tax credits out there. Some of them include the Small Business Health Tax Care Credit, right? This helps offset the cost of providing health insurance to your employees. Or the Work Opportunity Tax Credit. This provides a credit for hiring employees from certain targeted groups, such as veterans and people with disabilities. Other tax credits that could be available to you include the Research and Development Tax Credit, the New Markets Tax Credit, and the Employee Retention Credit. Be sure to explore all the tax credits that are available to you. And that's why tip number 4 is important. Tip number 4 is consult with a tax professional. Really important here, because they can help you navigate the tax code and identify tax savings opportunities. A professional can also help you stay compliant with all the tax laws and regulations. They can help you determine the best tax strategies for your business and advise you how to optimize your tax returns. By working with a tax professional, you can ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax savings opportunities available to you as a business owner, plan for estimated taxes, and avoid costly mistakes. So speaking of estimated taxes, tip number 5 is plan for those estimated taxes. As a business owner, you may be required to make quarterly estimated tax payments to the IRS. It's important to plan for these payments and keep accurate records of your income and expenses to avoid any penalties. Estimated tax payments are based on your estimated tax liability for the year, and if you don't make them on time, you may be subject to penalties and interest charges. Consider working with a tax professional to help you estimate your tax liability and then make those timely payments throughout the year. Well, there you have it. 5 key tax planning tips for Gen X and Gen Y business owners. By taking advantage of retirement savings plans, deducting business expenses, exploring tax credits, planning for estimated taxes, and working with a tax professional, you can save money and stay on top of those taxes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and keep building.